Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by enabling iCloud Photos so your library syncs automatically. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Photos, turn on iCloud Photos. If you run low on storage, tap Manage Storage and Upgrade, otherwise uploads will stall. Once done, make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi and charging for the first full sync. That prevents interruptions and preserves battery. You're now ready for the upload phase where the app scans and queues photos for iCloud. Now control how photos are stored and uploaded. In Settings Photos, choose Optimize iPhone storage to keep smaller local files, or Download Originals to keep full res on device. This impacts space and upload time. Watch progress in Photos under For You, or in Settings where the system shows remaining items. If uploads overwhelm your data or battery, pause iCloud Photos temporarily. Resume when on Wi-Fi and charging. This lets you balance speed, device space, and quality while iCloud completes syncing. Finish by confirming your library appears on all devices signed into the same Apple ID. Open Photos on another device or iCloud. To verify. If syncing stalls, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. That often clears authentication or queue issues. If network errors persist, reset network settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi, then reopen Photos. One key troubleshooting tip: if individual items fail, force quit Photos and retry while on Wi-Fi and charging to push the upload through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.